Hi, I'm attorney Danny Izquierdo of the Izquierdo Law Firm, and today I want to talk to you about a recent case result that we were able to achieve for one of our clients. This was a big win for this client. Our client was arrested and charged with DUI in Collier County. That's the Naples area. See, our client was a very successful entrepreneur who was driving home on 41 Tamiami Trail after a gig. He was pulled over initially for speeding and failing to move over. Then the officers alleged that he had all the signs of impairment. They asked him out of the car. They asked him to perform field sobriety exercises. Shortly after that, he was arrested. Now, this client, if convicted of DUI, was facing some very serious consequences. That means he could have faced up to 6 months in the county jail. He could have had to go to DUI school. He could have been on probation for up to 1 year. His license could have been suspended for up to a year, not to mention all the other costs and fees, the insurance hikes, 6 months with an ignition interlock in his car. That's that machine that you have to blow into before your car will start and let you drive. However, for this client and all of our clients, we got to work immediately. We sprung into action. Something just didn't seem right when we reviewed the initial arrest report. So we requested a DMV hearing. That's an administrative hearing to challenge the suspension of his license. At that hearing, we started chipping away, determining how the officer was making the claim that he failed to move over in the first place. We were able to start gaining some momentum. We learned little things that even though they said that he failed to move over and that they were on the side of the road, that actually the patrol vehicle was blocking some of the road, which means that our client had to move over some. But that was just the first step. We then obtained the body camera footage and the dash cam footage for these officers, and it turned out that what they wrote on the reports and what they were testifying to under oath at the DMV hearing is not actually how this all went down. We were able to see the videos and determine for ourselves that the stop was potentially bad. We were able to show the prosecutor that the signs of impairment were simply not there, and that we were ready to file a motion to suppress, to exclude evidence, and we were ready to take this case to trial. The prosecutor realized what we were saying, and instead of all those very serious consequences that our client was offered, we're happy to report that our client's DUI was dismissed. The charge was reduced to reckless driving. He never had his driver's license suspended in criminal court, and he didn't have to do all those conditions and pay all those fines. He gets to move on with his life, continue running his business, serving our community, and we're ecstatic for this client.